how animals see world. If you love your phone more than your mother, ignore this post. If you love your mother more than anything and respect her, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and if you truly love her, comment with heart emojis. Humans, rabbits, humans, butterflies, humans, bees, humans, rats, humans, cows, humans, scorpions, humans, flies, humans, cats, humans, mole rats.
If you love Jesus, then show it. Like this video and subscribe this channel.
And if you want to go to heaven, don't scroll without supporting.